Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And today is Triple Play Saturday round 3. And I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. Now, this has got to be the baddest analog watch face in the Gear Manager store. If I'm wrong, prove it. Comment in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this review. With that being said, let's kick off Triple Play Saturday round 3. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today is Triple Play Saturday round 3. Now, this watch face is awesome, right? But before we get started, before we go any further, I need for you to go get your popcorn, your milk and cookies, your pizza, whatever you need in order to get comfortable, because this may take a minute. First off, we got a lot of detailing, we got a lot of features we need to go over to help you to make a better decision on whether you should download this watch face in the Gear Manager store, and we're going to find out at the end of the video if it was worth it. Cool. Now, with that being said, this is the baddest watch face that I've saw thus far in the Gear Manager store so far as the analog watch face is concerned. Now, if you saw or found anything better or badder than this watch face, then hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to have this one in my lineup. Now, this is a customizable watch face. This is where we should be going with watch faces for the Gear 3, the Gear 2, and the Gear Sport. Okay, now this watch face has a long name. This is a customizable watch face. It has features and functions. You also have a stopwatch. You can set an alarm, and you have a torch, which is a flashlight on this watch face. Well equipped, right? But let's go ahead. Let's review this watch face. First of all, in the always on mode, you're going to get a traditional analog watch face look. All you need to do is be able to see your time at a glance. That's what's really most important. Now, when the watch face is on, I have it set on a traditional look. You get regular hands, you also get your numbers. Now, down at the bottom, you get the best of both worlds. You do have a 12-hour digital time. On the left is going to be your battery percentage. On the right is going to be your day and your date. Now, let's go in. Let's take a look at how do you customize this watch face. So first of all, double tap in the center. At the top is going to bring up, where you can exit the edit, or if you need help, tap help. This is going to bring up a menu board to help you to customize the watch face more and a little bit better. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the numbers. Let's change the numbers to match whatever it is we're going to do. If I'm going too fast, you ought to be able to go over it again. Let me go over it again a little bit. So this is what you get. You can leave it here on this traditional look as far as Roman numerals. And I can leave it here if I'm going out, I'm going to party. This is definitely a good look. Now, here's another thing you can do. If I want to get rid of my battery percentage because I want more of a classic luxury look, I can leave it there, or I can get rid of my date altogether. Now, I got my digital time down at the bottom. Now, let's hit this. Double tap again, bring up the menu. So if I want to change the clock, tap on the clock. I can set it to 24 hours. Tap again. And if I tap again, I could get rid of that time altogether. Now, really have a nice luxury looking watch face. Let's hit help, and we want to change the background, right? Just tap here, cycle through the many different backgrounds that this watch face has to offer, and it gives you quite a bit. Very nice, right? Let's leave it right here. Go back to help, and now I want to change the hands. So if you want something different, just keep tapping till you get to the hands that you would like to have for your watch face. I'm going to leave it there, right? We're going to go back in, and I want to go here. So if I tap here, I can change the movement of the second hand, or I could get rid of it altogether. Because remember, I'm going out. I want to look good. This is the watch face for me, right? And that's pretty much it. So if you want the date, you could bring the date back up. If you want the battery percentage, you can bring that back up. That depends on what it is and how you want to set this look, whether you're going to be super casual that day, you're going to work, or you're going out to a party. Now, we're done with that, right? Nope. Let's double tap. Nope. We're going to come back to that. We're going to double tap again. What we did not show you was the bezel. Let's tap around the bezel. Now, this where it gets really nice, where you can really customize the look and the theme of this watch face, which I thought was really, really awesome. I'm going to leave it right there. And all you have to do is kind of cycle through. Let me go ahead and get this zoom back in. And you also can double tap down here. Now you got your stopwatch. So if you set the stopwatch, the number's going to turn green, right? Let's double tap again. And if I tap here on the alarm, then it's going to change to yellow. So I like that. You can set it and if you want to stop it, just hit stop and it will stop. You also got a timer there. This is nice. This is one awesome looking analog watch face. Now, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know. And let me know if you're going to download such a watch face. Me personally, I think it was worth its weight in gold. I paid $1.49 in the Gear Manager store. And to me, it was worth every penny. All right, you all. I hope you all are enjoying your Saturday. If you're going out, have fun. Party like it's 1999. But most of all, be safe. If you're going to enjoy family and friends, listen, just have fun and relax. And with that, if you like the video, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.